Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the complex world of hunting, balancing tradition and conservation. Hunting has been part of human life for thousands of years. Back then, it was essential for survival, providing food, clothing, and tools. Fast forward to today, hunting still holds cultural significance and sustains some rural communities. Modern hunting is heavily regulated. Hunters need licenses and must follow strict rules on what, when, and how they hunt. These regulations help maintain ecological balance and protect endangered species. Supporters argue that hunting can be effective for wildlife management. In some regions, animal populations grow too large, damaging the environment and threatening other species. Controlled hunting keeps these populations in check and funds conservation through license fees and taxes. However, it's a hot topic. Animal rights activists see hunting as cruel and unnecessary, especially when other food sources are available. And hunting for sport raises ethical questions about taking an animal's life for entertainment. In conclusion, hunting is a complex issue with cultural, environmental, and ethical layers. It can manage wildlife and provide food, but it demands responsibility and respect for nature. Finding a balance between tradition, conservation, and animal welfare is crucial to practicing hunting sustainably and humanely. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating topics. See you next time.